Need to convert a photo or image into a PDF on your Android phone without any third-party apps required? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to convert JPG, PNG, and other images into a PDF using the built-in features on your Google Pixel devices running stock Android 17 and Android 16 version. Whether you're scanning documents, sharing receipts, or creating PDF files from your photos, this quick guide works on the latest stock Android phones. How to convert image to PDF file. Open the Camera app in your Google Pixel or stock Android phone. Point your Pixel's camera at a document. Wait for the Scan Document prompt to appear. Tap Scan Document. Make sure to move document edges into view to show the Scan Document option. Tap arrow icon in the bottom right corner after the scanning. Here, you can apply different filter to your scanned image, like Photo Enhance, Filters, Crop and Rotate Photo, and Clean. Tap the plus icon to scan another image. Automatically add image to Next after scanning, so you can add multiple images one by one you want. After scanning all the images, tap on Next button in the top right corner. Here, you can see three options, including Save to Google Drive, Download, or Share File. Select the option you want in your Pixel device. To convert into PDF file, select the Share file and choose your WhatsApp contact, Gmail, or any other transfer data app. Tap the Send button in the bottom right corner. And that's all. Did you know your stock Android phone could convert images to PDF without installing any app? Let me know in the comments.